In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in the Miro. To get started, open Miro in your web browser and go to the board where you want to place your image. This can be any existing board you are already working on. Once the board loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the right workspace and that you can see the main canvas area. If your board is large, you can zoom in or out so you have a clear spot to place the image. Next, look to the left side toolbar. This is where Miro keeps the main creation tools. Find and open the section called Tools, Media, and Integrations. When you click it, a panel will open with more options than you see on the main toolbar. This menu is useful because it groups common add-ons and content types in one place. Inside that panel, look for the option labeled Image and Icons. Select it to open the image tools. From here, you have a couple of ways to add an image to your board, depending on what you need for your project. You can choose from available templates if you want something quick and ready-made. Templates are helpful when you are building a consistent visual style on your board and you want images that match a certain theme. You can also generate a new image by using your own prompt. This option is useful when you need something specific that is not already available in the templates. Take your time to describe what you want as clearly as possible in your prompt, because detailed prompts usually produce results that match your idea more closely. After you have an image option you want to use, click on Highlight. This action helps you select and emphasize the image you are working with so it stands out on the canvas. Once it is highlighted, you can place your attention on positioning it where it fits best on the board. As a quick tip, it helps to leave a little space around your image so other items like sticky notes, text, or shapes do not feel crowded. Keeping your layout clean makes your board easier to read and collaborate on. And that is all there is to it.